already know what it is. We're out here at Papa Murphy's getting ready to do a meal prep, because what's better than meal prepping is pizza for meal prepping, right? So I'm gonna eat pizza for every meal this entire week, and I'm gonna film it for y'all, and we're gonna see how it goes. So just stay tuned, watch the vid, and also like and subscribe, because you know it's awesome. Oh shit, you know what it is, dude? It's pizza! For y'all folks at home watching. So, obviously it's Papa Murphy's, so you know what you're doing here. You're baking at 425. And if you're not, you're freaking crazy, son. Obviously this episode is sponsored by Papa Murphy's. So let's get to bacon, son. Let's go! Yo, here we go. Guys, day 2. We got the Hawaiian pizza going right in the oven. Let's see if you can see that. Boom. All right, I'll tell you how it goes as we progress on these pizza days where I fucking feel good, son. Peace out, man, and enjoy your own pizza at home. Pow! My address is. You get that? Sick, right on. That's chill. Thanks, man. Bye. Guys, I'm ordering from Pizza Hut because I'm tired of that Papa Murph's place, man. We don't need that every day. Let's get some new stuff. Pizza Hut, up in here? Yeah. All right. I'll tell you when they hit me up. My pizza's here. Let's go check it out. Let me get that pizza, son. Let me make it rain on you just because you brought me my pizza. What's up, Steve? We got 2 large pizzas here for you. It's gonna be. What's up, y'all? I got my pizzas already, dog. Let's get the chowing down. Look at these. Boom! Pizza. I had to dive in. This is the chicken bacon ranch. Guys, this is my day 2 of the pizza. Eating for every meal. So far, I'm not complaining. Cheap and easy. I'll see y'all at the next pizza, son. That's good. That's a fake sigh. I don't actually do that. That's just for the camera. What's guys? What's guys? All right, let's go pick up some pizza. Woo! You already know the drill. We going. Right. We gotta get the pizza before it cools down. Yeah, screw Pizza Hut. We're back here at Papa Murphy's. Why? Because it tastes better, you cook it at home, and it's cheaper. I spent, for 2 pizzas at freaking Pizza Hut, I spent like dang near 50 bucks. This, it's like 36 for 2 pizzas. So I'm gonna go eat my pizzas and keep my diet going, you know? Go ahead and do something, I don't know. Stuffed. It's like 2 layers. Peep this. Woo! Yeah, what's up, punks? You already know we're out here cooking pizzas. This is a stuffed one, so it's at 350 degrees. So, obviously, one hand that. Obviously. Because if you don't, you're dumb. Is it going already?
Yeah.
Okay. What's up, y'all? This is day 5 of eating strictly pizza all day, every day. And I gotta say, I'm tired of it, alright? Like, you feel like shit. Not gonna lie, you feel terrible, and your wallet does too. That's a fact, because, dude, it's way more expensive than I would have thought. But overall, dude, I just feel super unhealthy. Because, like, mainly I eat pretty healthy. But eating pizza, it's like, dude, I never used to sweat before. Now I'm just, like, sweating all the time. So, I'm not going to eat pizza anymore. It's day 5, and I'm over with this after I finish this whole pizza, wax it all, because obviously it's pizza, you know what I mean? Got pizza out. But I wouldn't recommend strictly eating pizza, because I don't think it's a full rounded meal. I thought, like, oh, yo, you got the bread, you got the meat, you got the that's
veggies.
Veggies, yeah, that's all, and then that's it. That's all you get. So I mean, overall, here's some bloopers.
Wonder where he's at. Dude, really? Come on, man. What are you doing? Wait, have you seen him?
No, not at all.
Wait, is that what? Yeah, Shelby, I found him. Yeah, he's gone, man. He's gone.